Well, the 95 YJ is done. Done a few videos, but the final thing to be done was the windshield, which is done now, obviously, and the wipers on. Actually, one final thing left is O2 sensor, which a 27-year-old Jeep is not giving up gracefully, let's just say. So I've been soaking it every day for the past couple of days with deep creep. And on a previous video, someone asked to show the underside, so here we go. Let's take a look underneath. Let's zoom out a little bit. So anyway, frame, yeah, there's a little bit of surface rust that was on there. I got rid of a lot of I could with a wire brush. This is undercoating and stuff, rust proofing that I've sprayed into the channel rails to keep it this way. And obviously I used stone chip underneath the car to keep everything solid. Floors. The chassis is all good. I don't know what else you want to see if you're... There is no rust, no rot under here. Spring perches are not rotted, inside or out. Floors, I don't know, you want to see the passenger side floor? It's no different. So I'll show the front spring perches if you really want to see them. So, again, a lot of that is, what do you call it? Fluid film. Rust proofing that I blasted in all the chassis holes. We'll go to the passenger side, which is more of the same. Again, I'm not going to creep under this side. I don't have a blanket for this side, so it is the same all the way around. This is the rear spring perch, rear bumper mount. Guess you can get a good view across there. Again, everything that's wet is just covered in rust proofing. Hey! Well, my neighbor's offering me a beer, so there's your tour of the Jeep YJ. Oh, you know what, I'll give you, you've already seen the interior, you've seen everything other than the windshield. And for the people that wanted to see the frame, there's the frame and underside, the floors, whatever. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm going to have my beer.